In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to short Bitcoin on Kucoin using isolated margin, designed especially for beginners. This approach should take just about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Kucoin website. Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that's known for its user-friendly interface and robust trading options. If you haven't already done this, simply open your preferred web browser and type in Kucoin's official site address or search for it online. Once you're on the Kucoin homepage, the next step is to log in to your account. You'll notice the Login button. Click on it to proceed. Enter your credentials, your email address or username, and your password to access your account. If this is your first time here, make sure you've already set up an account, as you'll need to be logged in to begin trading. Always ensure your login details are secure, and never share them with anyone to maintain the safety of your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to Kucoin's homepage. From here, look for the option that says Trade. This is where you'll venture into the world of buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Clicking Trade will take you into the trading hub where all the action happens. In the trading section, the next step is to click on Margin Trading. Margin trading allows you to borrow funds to increase your positions in markets. Remember, this step is essential as we're focusing on shorting Bitcoin using margin. Kucoin offers different types of margins, and it's crucial we select the right one for our strategy. Now, you must choose the isolated margin option. Why isolated, you might wonder? Isolated margin gives you the ability to manage risk more effectively by restricting the collateral to only the specific position you're working with. This means if things don't go as planned, your losses are confined to the position tied to those specific funds, reducing the overall impact on your portfolio. It's a great choice for beginners as it limits potential losses. And there you have it. Those are the essential steps to take to short Bitcoin on Kucoin using isolated margin. It's straightforward and quick once you're familiar with the process. Remember, while margin trading offers the potential for greater profits, it also comes with increased risks. Make sure to do your research, understand the risks involved, and never trade more than you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto guides. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.